Hello everyone, welcome to Bond Bytes, daily bond market updates by INR Bonds. I am Nikhil. In today's market, we have seen Gsec, yesterday Gsec yields corrected sharply as we discussed on the back of RBI policy meeting as the stance is accommodative and which is not clearly in sync with the global central banks. We have seen the Fed planning to raise rates in the coming month, and as well as the Bank of England almost raised two rate hikes in the last 4 months. And however, the RBI is confident of maintaining the inflation in the targeted zone and expects the inflation to be at 4.5%, which is quite optimistic. And on the back of that, yields corrected sharply, and today the Gsec yield at 2032 is at 6.71%. And as on the global market, global bond market space, we have seen US Treasuries topping 2% on the back of a sharp surge in inflation. The US reported 7.5% growth in inflation, which is a 4-decade high and much higher than the market expectations. So, which also leaves the room for the Fed to raise interest rates as much as 50 bips in the coming policy meeting. And on the equity space, we have seen global equity markets corrected as the yields surged sharply, and in Sensex and Nifty corrected as much as 1.5% today. And also the European markets opened on a negative note, almost 1% down. And US futures show that tonight US markets likely to open on negative note as well. So altogether, the sharp rise in yields is causing a sell-off in the equity markets, and the private placement space, we have seen Dilip Bilcon raising more than 10 billion rupees at 2035 maturity and at the rate of 6.25%, and Cholamandalam Investment and Fin also raised 4 billion rupees at 7.05%, which is at 2025 maturity, which is 3 years from now. Thank you for listening in. Do like the video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so. And download our Quick Invest by INR Bonds app, which is available in both the App Store and Play Store, which you can explore in order for your investments in corporate bonds, and also experience our smooth process in order to buy the bonds. Thank you for listening in. Signing off.